What's up, y'all? Tanner's sick right now. We did too many doomies on Railay Beach. We got tatted up.
Tell him I love him.
He loves y'all and hope you enjoy this video, bruh. We got doomied out, bruh. He can't even speak English right now.
Tell him enjoy the video.
Oh yeah, and enjoy the video.
Okay, it's NTV Cribs in Thailand. Let's see what he got. So this is what a $10 room looks like in Krabi, Thailand.
Okay.
Ooh, some motivation on the door. That's not bad. Oh, nice.
She fancy.
Mmm.
You already know how I do this.
That's how you do it?
Yeah, you already know.
Yo, look at that shower. That's a nice ass shower.
Bro, for $9 a night.
$9 a night. That's crazy. Bro, we each got our own room today for $10 in Krabi. Actually, I think Thailand is pretty cheap right now. Damn, look at the view. That's crazy. You gotta look over the ocean, bro.
Got a little fence so we can't jump. No feeling down.
Wow, does this open? We can smoke in this one too. Oh, bro, there's a balcony.
Shit, bro. It's so nice.
Dude, we all got 2 beds. We could have saved a lot of money if we really wanted to. We could have got these for $5 a night if we wanted to. That's crazy. And a nice shower. Damn.
Dude, the shower's insane. We're beside each other.
Yo. Dang. They are all 3 the exact same thing. Damn, I'll trade you. My balcony a little more dangerous than yours.
Now that we've seen the rooms, I'm actually okay with mine.
You're okay. Look at my balcony. My balcony kind of
If you
dangerous.
try to jump, you won't even do anything.
Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. Very good, very good.
I thought we were done with the fried
Dude,
chicken.
I'm not at all.
That, friends.
I'm just now getting started, as a matter of fact.
Hero dose today. I wanna forget my name. I wanna get so trippy that all I think about is mushrooms. Oh, I'm nervous. Hey, y'all taking mushrooms too?
Mushrooms?
Yeah.
Oh God, no, that's crazy.
I thought everybody was doing that. I thought that was the memo. That's too?
Yeah, I
you
guess
taking
so.
mushrooms?
You doing mushrooms? God, the mustache on this guy.
You're definitely doing some
Wow.
mushrooms, Bubby. I know.
Buddy, are you about to hit a balloon out there?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, I know you.
Yeah.
We are on Railay Beach, dude. Hey, we are back. And we're the 3 best friends that anybody could have. And we're the 3 best friends that anybody could have.
You do the dumbest stuff.
Y'all ready for the Doomy trip?
Bro, I'm about to, bro, hero dose?
Hero dose. Whoa.
Good.
Welcome to Railay. I get smoke one day Thai weed.
Thai weed?
Yeah,
I not smoke Thai weed.
I love Thai weed because not too much for me, you know. I smoke import weed cannot too strong and the leaf.
Yeah, I feel you.
Cannot to talk, cannot to work, right?
We need the strongest shakes that you have back here.
Yeah.
Very strong. You have strong?
Yes.
Let's go. Did you do one?
This is she making.
Oh shit, look, they got the balloons here.
Oh, the balloon. You want a balloon?
How much are the balloons?
One box 500.
Wow, alright.
Oh.
Welcome back here. Welcome.
Yes, thank you. Is there ice?
That's doomies.
Is that doomies? No, that's ice in it.
To the moon?
Yeah.
Really good?
Really good?
Yeah, keep for you.
Oh, you try?
Shit, no, I'm scared.
Think fucking good?
Sure.
Hell yeah.
Here, can you record
You're
this?
not too tired, right?
Too tired?
No problem, right?
No, I'm not tired.
Yeah, this good. Because you are the fucking strong, right?
Strong.
Yeah, yeah.
This
yeah.
is strong.
You sure.
Wow. I love it.
Oh. There's some doomies in that. There's some doomies in that, bro.
Oh my gosh, you just chugged that.
I'm not gonna throw it. I'm not gonna throw it. I'm not gonna throw it. Oh, there's some mushies in there.
What this? Look at mango, right?
The mango.
Very mango.
The mushrooms with the boys in Thailand. Oh shit.
Welcome to holiday. Railay, really.
Brother. No, you're cooked, dude. Brother, chill out.
I should
Oh
smack
my
that off,
gosh.
bro. I'll wait till you take a doomy thing and punch you in the stomach.
No, he's cooked, chat.
Hey, tell him he's frying his brain. Do mushrooms? Yo, you chill out.
Finish it.
Finish it. Blow
Nah.
it back into it. Make it last longer.
Oh my gosh, dude, you
How
are
much brain
cooked,
cells do you
dude.
have up here?
Brother, you're cooked. Do you feel it?
Oh yeah.
Tripping?
I'm tripping. My stomach hurts so bad.
Really?
Yeah, I got chill. It's starting. It hasn't. I don't see shit yet, but my stomach has took over. I'm at that part.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I'm still feeling alright.
Chill.
He killed his whole smoothie. I still got about 1/3 of mine left. I'm not feeling nothing crazy yet, but I'm still taking it slow. How you feel, brother?
Cooked, bro.
Cooked?
I need my stomach to stop hurting. I feel like I'm having a freaking kid. Yeah, I'm
Going
about to
through
have
it?
a kid. Yeah, bro.
You want to go rock around the beach?
Yeah. Had it in Thailand first time. It's about to be a fire one. What's your name?
What?
One?
What?
What?
Yes.
What? What's up, what? Ain't no way he's scared, bro. Canada's scared. It's interview Canada. How you feel?
Shit. I'm a little nervous.
Yeah?
No, but I'm cool. I'm still chilling. Shit. Mine is more of the unknown right now because I've never had one, so I don't know.
We'll find out.
Is there a place close by to go to the washroom?
1 through 10, how does it hurt?
I could ramble on, brother.
Ramble on, say less.
Okay.
I'll be like 2 minutes.
Okay.
You backing out?
No. They started putting some lotion on it. You started fucking screaming. No, I didn't.
Tanner's a philosopher sometimes, man.
1 day sober.
1 day sober? Got you thinking like that?
Yeah.
Man.
That's what it does. Did I never talk philosophy before? You know, look, I talk it all the time.
Tanner, he's so scared, bro. Admit it, bro. You're nervous.
Yeah, I'm not nervous. I'm not scared. I'm just the unknown. Is it gonna hurt a lot? Is it gonna hurt a little bit? I don't know.
Are you thinking about backing out?
No, it's not an ounce of me thought about that. Hell yeah. When I
Damn.
commit to something, I commit. Hell yeah.
Whoa. Canada is scared, bro.
A little bit right now.
He looked at me earlier when we were walking. He's like, yeah, bro, I'm getting a lot more nervous. Because when I asked him on the phone, he's like, yeah, I'm just a little nervous.
Yeah, but after it started hitting.
Uh-oh, the first time a needle ever touched the Canadian skin. Canada with the family? That's some shit.
Shit! Oh, it sliced you.
I had a cut there already.
Oh, dang. You like it?
Yeah, we gotta get looking fresh today.
Bro, I feel like mine's fucked up.
Well, let's see.
Dude, I think it looks sick.
It's looking dope.
I think it looks badass.
The way I would do it's fucked up. Imagine this on you, bro. You
Pretty close to half sleeve after today.
2 in less than 24 hours. Canada has a quarter sleeve right now. Dude, no way. Tanner has damn near a full sleeve.
Holy bro.
What happened? Just came to the tattoo shop and bam.
Whoa, dude.
Can you do an outro too?
Yeah.
Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.